Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to ship this gorgeous Boosty A, and I'm showing you how to ship anything that is first class. In this case, anything that is less than 16 ounces is okay to ship first class because we are making our own shipping label via PayPal. And in this case, we're using the My Own Shipping option on the Depop app. When you're listing an item for sale and you want to make your own shipping label, make sure you click on the My Own Shipping option here where the arrow is. So let me just break it down for you. This is the payment on top here when the item was sold, but I want to show you I charged $32 for the item and I charged $5.50 for shipping. And as you can see here, they took $3.75 because what they do is they combine the 32 plus the $5.50 and they take 10% of that all together, which leaves me with $33.75. And remember, from that $33.75, we still have to ship. Something that's very important is when you have a first class package, make sure you use your own packaging. You cannot use the free priority mail supplies that they offer at the postal office. This is a very common mistake that I see all the time. So now that we have our package ready, we're going to go ahead and make our shipping label. So go ahead and log on to your PayPal account and you're going to go ahead and click on activity at the very top left hand side of the toolbar, and then you're going to click on all transactions. So now you're going to go ahead and find the name of the customer who you need to ship for. Go to the very far right and there is a drop down menu. Go ahead and click on print shipping label and this window will pop up for you. And I love the setup of this site because it's very straightforward. We're going to go ahead and click on first class because remember, we're shipping first class here. And now you're going to go ahead and write the ounces. Realistically speaking, the corset only weighs about 3 to 4 ounces, but I always like to add a couple ounces more just to be safe. Click on confirm and pay and then click on print, and you can either print it straight from there or you can also just send it to yourself. You can save it, you can send it to somebody else who's shipping it for you, you can send it to someone else if they're printing it for you. Whatever you need to do, you can do it right from the print button. The beauty of having a prepaid shipping label is you do not have to wait in line at the postal office to pay for your package. You can just drop it off. Okay guys, we have successfully shipped a first class package. Now you can go ahead and do the same for you guys. Again, this is only for first class mail. So this works for jewelry, lingerie, for socks, for dainty little things that don't weigh that much. Anything that weighs 15 ounces or less. I will be making a whole separate video on how to ship priority mail just because I feel like that has a lot more options like flat rate, etc., etc. So thumbs up this video if it was helpful to you in any way. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.